Tonight we bring you Veterans Day through the eyes of several people, past, present, and of course the future of the armed forces.
A standing ovation for our veterans. Sounds of bagpipes and veterans salute echo throughout Staley High School's gymnasium.
This is about the 5th or 6th time I've been here, and every time it just blows me away. It's a very emotional thing.
Gary Lent served for 6 years on the Strategic Air Command. His brother served in World War II.
It's great to be remembered, really.
Some of them in the stands today will go into the military. Bella Penco is one of them.
He's such an inspiration to me. I plan on joining the military myself after high school.
She's talking about her dad. He's a member of the United States Air Force. Escorting him into the rally today was special for them both.
The proud history of our military is defending our nation. And I think for the generations behind us, it is incredibly important that they understand how valuable that is, why we have served for them, and why we hope that they continue to carry on that legacy into the future for us.
Senior Gavin Siegfried is hoping he can lead by example.
We felt we needed to do something to show them our appreciation.
As a member of the Student Council, he helped plant 1,000 American flags around the school campus. He's remembering his 2 grandfathers today.
It's very powerful. It's just, it makes you feel closer to them, and it gives you an opportunity to show your gratefulness to them.
Across state lines, a 21-gun salute. The Overland Park Memory Care community hosted a tribute to veterans and families in their care. Richard Sobek is a Marine Corps veteran. He tells me Veterans Day can be more difficult for elders.
Everybody seems to think that as we get older, we just sit around in a bar and drink. We don't do that. We don't sit around someplace and talk about war. We sit around someplace and hold each other so that we can help prepare where we've been, what we've done, and what we can provide and bring forth.
He also says today's event isn't just for veterans who served. It's for the mothers, wives, daughters, sons, every individual that has touched the life of a person in the military.
So we're out here today to try to remind them that life doesn't hurt that bad.
Jian Kim, KSHB 41.